Hello, YouTube! It's summer, so that means it's time for the 2025 High-Speed Train Demolition Derby! Woohoo! We've got the Playrail Komachi, and, well, for this year, we've got Trekmaster Revolutionized Lion James, or James as the Lion. There's James with his lion details. We've got Atomi Steamalong Thomas, Trekmaster Flying Scotsman, the Playrail Shooting Star Gordon, Toby with the jet engine, Snowy Spencer, Diesel 10, Trekmaster Revolutionize Percy's Chocolate Crunch, and the Playrail N700. That's 10 contestants ready to race for this year's High-Speed Train Demolition Derby. So let's get them all on the tracks and watch them race around the pool table. There they are, our 10 contestants ready to race. The Playrail Komachi, Trekmaster Sodor Safari Lion James, the Tomy Steamalong Thomas, Trekmaster Flying Scotsman, the Playrail Shooting Star Gordon at the front, the Tomy Toby with a jet engine, Snowy Spencer, Diesel 10, well, he looks strange for some reason, Trekmaster Revolutionize Percy's Chocolate Crunch, and the Playrail N700 at the back behind them. Let the 2025 High-Speed Train Demolition Derby begin! Off we go! And off they go! Wow! Toby is caught up with the Playrail. Come on! Oh, now he's derailed! Oh, he's derailed! Well, there go the other contestants, but the Playrail Komachi is dragging his rear end. Oh! That wasn't supposed to happen. Oh, now the Playrail N700 is caught up with Shooting Star Gordon. Thomas and Diesel 10 are passing the wreckage that Toby and the Playrail Komachi just left, and... Oh! Well, at least James made it pass, but Spencer made it pass as well. Lucky for them. Oh, the Playrail N700 is doing its best to knock the Playrail Shooting Star Gordon off the track. And Diesel 10 is somehow fast, but he's still pushing the Tomy Steamalong Thomas, but... Well, Percy, Flying Scotsman, James, and Spencer are doing well so far. Oh no! Percy's chocolate wagons are off to the side of the rails. Oh, Percy has stopped, and... Oh, no! Oh, there's something you don't see every day. The Flying Scotsman is shoving Percy's derailed chocolate tanker along the track. Now Percy has lost his load, and... Oh, Diesel 10 is derailed! Oh! Oh! I think that Tommy Steamlong Thomas is out of the race. So are James and Spencer. I'm not sure if Percy will be able to survive if this... No, he won't. The Flamer instant... what the heck? Percy and Flying Scotsman are free? Out! Percy, Flying Scotsman... Oh no! Oh! Oh! Flying Scotsman and Percy! Oh! Now Gordon is broken free! Oh my gosh! Gordon is still on the rails. He's gone past Flying Scotsman, his brother. Oh! Oh! Oh, you've got to be kidding me! But Tommy Steamlong Thomas is free! And now he won't budge. Percy is caught alongside the Tommy Steamlong Thomas. Shooting star Gordon has just passed him with his express coach derailed. And here comes Flying Scotsman. Oh, wow! Yet again, there's something you don't see every day. It's still going on with... Oh! Oh! This first round never stops! Oh, now Thomas has stopped. Hopefully. No! No, Flying Scotsman has helped him get past Diesel 10's wreckage. Ay, ay, ay. Percy's still dragging his derailed chocolate tanker. Flying Scotsman is dragging his derailed tenders. But Tommy Steamlong Thomas is still standing. So is the playroll shooting star Gordon, even though his express coach is still derailed. When is this ever gonna end? Oh, now Percy has caught up with Flying Scotsman. And, oh, look at that! Percy has derailed Flying Scotsman's tenders. And here comes the crash! Oh! Now there's the crash. Well, that was some long event for the first round of the 2025 High-Speed Train Demolition Derby. But I'm afraid the player Shooting Star Gordon will be out of this round. The rest of the 9 contestants are still in the game. So now it's up to round 2. Who will come in 9th place after Shooting Star Gordon? Okay, here we are with round 2 of the 2025 High-Speed Train Demolition Derby. We've got Toby with the jet engine, the Playrel Komachi, Diesel 10, and Tommy Steamalong Thomas at the front. We've got Sodor Safari Lion James, Snowy Spencer, Trekmaster Revolutionized Percy's Chocolate Crunch, Flying Scotsman at the back, and the Playrel N700 is still in the inside track. We'll just let him go on his own for now, so which one of these 9 contestants will be out next after Shooting Star Gordon? Off they go! Woo! That was, well, pretty quick. There comes Toby with James, and oh, whoa! This is gonna be a bit of a riot. Oh! Oh! Oh, boy! Whoa! Oh, Diesel 10 and Percy are broken free, but... oh, no, wait. It's still going. Okay, now this has ended easily. Well, the Playrel N700 is still in, even though he's all by himself. I'm just not sure who will beat the Playrel N700 out of the other 8 competitors. Well, let's have a little quick rematch and find out for ourselves, shall we? Okay, this is actually round 2.5 of the 2025 High-Speed Train Demolition Derby. I've got the Playrel N700 behind Diesel 10 and Snowy Spencer on the redesigned Trackmaster track. The Playrel Komachi and Trackmaster Revolutionized Percy's Chocolate Crunch are on the outside track. Toby is in front of Flying Scotsman, and James is in front of Tommy Steamalong Thomas. Let's see how this will work. Off, all go the contestants. Whoa! James actually caught up with Tommy Steamalong Thomas quickly, but oh, Percy is derailed. Oh, Percy! Oh, Jesus, this is all happening at once. Oh! Whoa! 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 James! I did not just catch it on camera, but James just actually flew off the track when trying to derail the Tommy Steamalong Thomas. Oh, now Diesel 10 and N700 are down. Oh. This is becoming a riot. Flying Scotsman is actually much more faster than Toby with the jet engine. But Tommy Steamalong Thomas is on his own. Oh, whoa, wait! Diesel 10 is broken free now? Diesel 10? What in the world? This can't be right. You can stay there if you like, Diesel 10. Or maybe not. Now Spencer's broken free. Oh. Is the Demolition Derby ever gonna end this way? Okay, I think I'm gonna have to stop Spencer and Diesel 10 there. Those two have cheated far too much. Well, let me do a voiceover for this part of the High-Speed Train Demolition Derby of 2025. I had to shoot a 15 footage of the whole entire round with only the Tommy Steamalong Thomas, Toby and the jet engine, and the Flying Scotsman going around and around the pool table about, many times. With the Clarabelle from the Tommy Steamalong Thomas still derailed, hanging from only one side of the track, I thought maybe it might help derail Toby, who was running at high speed. Well, if Flying Scotsman wouldn't have his face wedged into the jet engine, of course. But Toby didn't actually derail, but the Clarabelle from the Tommy Steamalong Thomas did slow down the Flying Scotsman a little bit. Then Flying Scotsman freed himself and got his face wedged into the jet engine again. This happened about 10 times when Flying Scotsman's second tender came derailed. Oh, there goes Flying Scotsman's second tender, but he's still going fast. It was surprising that he could still go fast, even with his derailed second tender. Oh! Whoa! Ah! Oh, Flying Scotsman is back on the track again. The next 10 times around the pool table was getting ridiculous. That was until it finally happened. High-speed Toby with the jet engine derailed at the third curve. And I think that's where I'll end the voiceover right now. Yes! At last! Toby and Flying Scotsman are out! And the Tommy Steamalong Thomas is still standing! Just like that. Well, sorry that this round sort of bored you folks. But after all that crashing and so much of who knows how long you've been waiting, the Tommy Steamalong Thomas won this round. So that means he's out of this round for sure. And now he's the 9th contestant after Shooting Star Gordon. So stay tuned for, at last, round 3 of the 2025 High-Speed Train Demolition Derby. Right after we sort out this mess and get the Demolition Derby underway. Okay, here we are at last, now with round 3 of the 2025 High-Speed Train Demolition Derby. There's Trekmaster Revolutionized Percy's Chocolate Crunch, the Playroll Komachi, Sodor Safari Lion James, and Diesel 10 at the front. Diesel 10 is back to his old body shape now. Huh. Isn't that weird? And we've got the Playroll N700, Snowy Spencer, Toby with the jet engine, and Flying Scotsman at the back. Let's see which of these contestants will come in 8th place. Off we go! Oh, whoa! Oh, Spencer had knocked the Playroll Komachi off the track easily. Oh, now he's stuck. Percy and N700 are down, but Toby and James are still going. And Diesel 10, wow, look at Diesel 10 go! He's actually running a lot more faster and better now. And he's caught up behind Flying Scotsman. Will Diesel 10 try to knock the Flying Scotsman off the track? Oh, Jesus! Here comes the crash! Oh! Well, that was a quick way to get through this round of the High-Speed Train Demolition Derby. Diesel 10 is out! Wow, this is a bit of a wreck. See those 4 competitors? James, Toby, Diesel 10, and Flying Scotsman are on this corner of the pool table. N700, Komachi, Percy, and Spencer on the other corner. Well, Diesel 10 is out, so we'll see which of the contestants will come in 7th place. Stay tuned for round 4 of the 2025 High-Speed Train Demolition Derby, folks. Okay, this is now round 4 of the 2025 High-Speed Train Demolition Derby. There's Playroll Komachi, N700, Trackmaster Revolutionized Percy's Chocolate Crunch, and Snowy Spencer at the front, but Spencer's on the inside track. And we've got Flying Scotsman, Toby in the jet engine, and Sodor Safari Lion James at the back. Well, we'll see how this will go from here. On your mark, get set, go! There go the Playroll Komachi and N700, and... Oh, Jesus! The Flying Scotsman is... Oh, Flying Scotsman is stuck! And Toby has actually caught up with the Playroll N700. Oh. I don't know if Toby will try to knock off the N700 off the track from there. Whoa! Flying Scotsman is... Oh, Jesus! Can you believe that? I can't... Flying Scotsman just shot the Playroll Komachi a little bit. Oh, Jesus. Oh, the Playroll Komachi is broken free. It's broken free. Oh, whoa. This has gone crazy. Oh, now the Playroll Komachi is down. Now the Playroll N700 is actually picking up speed away from Toby and the jet engine. Sodor Safari Lion James is caught up with Truckmaster Revolutionized Percy's Chocolate Crunch. Snowy Spencer is still on his own. Oh, wow! Look at the Playroll N700 go! Now, hold on. The jet engine isn't on. Oh, forgot to turn on the jet engine for Toby. The Sodor Safari Lion James and Percy's Chocolate Crunch are running perfectly well, actually. Not a bit of a high-speed run from either one of them. Great. And Snowy Spencer, once again, is still on his own. Going past Percy's Chocolate Crunch, Playroll N700 is coming around the fourth curve. And Toby, with the jet engine, well, coming to the same curve after the third. I may have a feeling that the Playroll N700 will catch up to Toby and the jet engine. This might take much more longer than that round with Thomas and Flying Scotsman and... Oh, well, actually, the second round. This will take much more longer than the second round. Oh, now the Playroll N700 is caught up with Toby and the jet engine. Will the Playroll N700 try to knock off Toby and the jet engine? Let's hope so. Oh! The Playroll N700 and Toby and the jet engine are down! Oh! Oh, and here comes Percy's Chocolate Crunch with Sodor Safari Lion James. Oh-ho! Now the other two contestants are down, but... Oh! Snowy Spencer is on his own. Well, lucky for Spencer, he's now in 7th place. What some train demolition derby of high speed it was. Snowy Spencer has won the 7th round. Well, Spencer, it's into 7th place next to Diesel 10 for you. So for round 5, who knows which one of the other contestants... 1, 2, 3, 4... Yeah, which one of the 6 contestants will come in 5th place? Or in this case, which one of them will come in 6th place? Well, stay tuned for the next round, folks. Keep watching. Here's round 5 of the 2025 High-Speed Train Demolition Derby. There's the Playroll Komachi, Flying Scotsman, and Toby with the jet engine at the front. And we've got the Playroll N700, Percy's Chocolate Crunch, and Sodor Safari Lion James at the back. We'll see which of the 6 contestants will come in 6th place. So, off they go! Whoa, look at James go! And he's caught up with Toby and the jet engine. The Playroll N700 is catching up with Playroll Komachi. And they've run neck and neck. Oh! The Playroll Komachi is about to get itself derailed from the Playroll N700. Oh! Oh, what a crash! And Flying Scotsman is caught up from the Playroll N700. Percy is actually lending a helping hand. Oh! Now Percy's caught. Oh, no, wait. They're about to be broken free. Oh, wow, look at that! This was not meant to be going as planned. Oh, now Percy is caught up with Flying Scotsman, and they're both stuck. Toby and the jet engine are somehow having a problem going fast. James is struggling to push Toby off the track. Oh! Is Toby losing energy? Oh. Well, James could at least try to knock Toby off the track. I think Toby must be losing energy. You might say the jet engine is running out of fuel. Oh. Oh, I think he's about to get... Oh. Oh, there's the moment of truth. The moment of truth has come. Toby has run out of power. And now... James, Sodor Safari Lion James wins. Well, Sodor Safari Lion James is now in 6th place. I think Toby must be running out of power. No, he is running low on power. Oh dear. Rocket power, Toby's dying! Oh no! Come on, Toby! Get running faster! I'm gonna have to get his battery recharged. Somehow. Until then, well, stay tuned for round 6 of the 2025 High-Speed Train Demolition Derby, folks. Well, keep watching. Okay, this is round 6 of the 2025 High-Speed Train Demolition Derby. We've got Playroll Komachi, Playroll N700, and Flying Scotsman at the front. But Flying Scotsman's on the inside track alone. We've got Trackmaster Revolutionized, Percy's Chocolate Crunch, and Toby with the jet engine. Let's see who will come in, well, 5th place. So, off they go! Whoa! Whoa! Percy has knocked the Playroll Komachi down. Oh, and so is Toby has knocked off the Playroll N700. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, this is pretty quick than I thought. The Flying Scotsman still stands. Well, but the Playroll N700, Toby and the jet engine, Percy's Chocolate Crunch, and the Player Komachi down, I guess Flying Scotsman wins. That'll take us on to the next round, folks. Okay, round 7 of the 2025 High-Speed Train Demolition Derby is a go. We've got the Player Komachi and Trackmaster Revolutionize Percy's Chocolate Crunch at the front. And Player N700 and Toby and the Jet Engine at the back behind them. Let's see who will get knocked off the track and will come in 4th place. Off they go! And look at them go! Running around the pool table. And the Playrel N700 is caught up with the Playrel Komachi. They're touching front to end. And oh! There goes Playrel Komachi's rear off the track. Oh! That was a slight derailment there. And Percy is now catching up with Toby and the Jet Engine. Oh, Playrel Komachi and N700 are back on track. Whoa! Whoa! Percy is face into the rear of the Jet Engine. I'm not sure if Percy's going to hold it as much as Flying Scotsman did. Playrel Komachi and N700 are front to end again. And oh! There go the rear of the Playrel Komachi. Oh, well, N700 trying to derail the Playrel Komachi. Yes! Yes, he has! Yes, he has! And oh! The 3 contestants are down, but Percy is still standing! Oh, what a train wreck, what a train wreck! Well, looks like Percy's Chocolate Crunch, Trackmaster Revolutionized, has come in 4th place. So we'll move Percy next to Flying Scotsman. Then we'll move on to the next round and see which of the 3 will come in 3rd place. It's either Toby or one of the 2 high-speed bulleted diesel engines. So stay tuned until the next round, folks. Okay. Round 8 of the 2025 High-Speed Train Demolition Derby is now about to get started. We've got the Playrel Komachi, we've got Playrel N700, and Toby with the Jet Engine, all on the outside track. Let's see who will get knocked off the track. Off they go! Playrel Komachi, the Playrel N700, and Toby with the Jet Engine. Away they go! And it looks like Toby is about to try to knock off the Playrel N700 off the track. And they're catching up to the Playrel Komachi. Oh, wow, this is some lineup for a high-speed train. Or not. Oh! Jeez. Oh, Toby could have derailed the Jet Engine at the last second, but... Oh, boy! Oh! 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 I don't believe this! Toby has come in 8th place! Toby has come in 8th place! Oh! Well, Sadly, Toby would have had the chance to finish off the high-speed train demolition derby, but he has now come in 8th place, so it's next to Percy he goes. Only the Plainwell Komachi and N700 are left. So let's do a head-to-head and see who will become the high-speed engine for the summer of 2025. Okay, here we are. The 9th round of the 2025 high-speed train demolition derby. We got the Plainwell Komachi at one end, and we got the Plainwell N700 at the other end. The two high-speed bolted diesels have what looks like red rear headlights, just to show that the high-speed train is complete. So, it's a good thing the yellow lights at the front show them that this is the front of, well, this one doesn't have yellow headlights, it's just gray. Let's get this final round underway, shall we? It's either the Plainwell Komachi or the Plainwell N700 that will become the high-speed train of the summer of 2025. On your mark, get set, go! Coming head-to-head, the winner is... Oh, I'm gonna have to say... the Plainwell N700! Let's get those two lined up with the other engines and show the result. And here we are with our high-speed train contestants for the summer of 2025, and these are the results. The Plainwell Shooting Star Gordon in 10th place. The Tommy Steamalong Thomas in 9th place. Diesel 10 in 8th place. Snowy Spencer, 7th. Sodor Safari Lion James in 6th place. Flying Scotsman in 5th. Trekmaster Revolutionize Percy's Chocolate Crunch in 4th. Toby and the Jet Engine in 3rd place. The Plainwell Komachi in 2nd. And in 1st place, the high-speed train of the summer of 2025 is the Plainwell N700, our high-speed engine of the summer of 2025. So I hope you folks enjoyed the high-speed train demolition derby of 2025. Who knows what next year's high-speed train demolition derby will be like? Until then, this is Trainboy54 saying thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos of Trainboy54 Productions of 2025. Take care to you all. Bye.